Hello everyone, welcome to another Go High Level video tutorial. Before we get started, you can get the best Cyber Monday and Cyber Week offers and deals with our link down below. You can get a 30-day free trial and some special offers along the way with Go High Level. Now, let's get started with the video. So, how can you add animated text gradients to your Go High Level website with CSS? It's actually pretty easy. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to your funnels on your sub account and you want to edit the funnel. So obviously we'll need to edit the funnel. We'll need to add a text first or headline. So what you can do here is you can just go, this is just an example funnel here. You can go here and then you can just click headline. From the headline, as you can see, you will have it right here. You can go to the cogwheel and on the left side, you will have a couple of options right here. So what you can do is you can go to the advanced and here you will need to enter a class name. A class name can be pretty much anything. It can be animation gradient, for example, or animated gradient. You just hit enter here. Once you have this, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to settings and you'll need to go to custom CSS. Now, once you go to the custom CSS right here, you will need to paste this particular code. Now, thanks to Pedro Moreira, he's one YouTuber that actually created a tutorial on this already. We have this code right here. So basically we can copy this code and we can paste this code right here. Now, if this code is not working for you, obviously you cannot see it right now, but if it's not working for you, make sure that custom class that we set right here is the custom class that we called out right here. So it needs to be the same custom class. Now, we can go through this code. However, if you're not really tech savvy, you will not understand it that well. As you can see here, it says the animation of the gradient is 3 seconds. Is infinite alternative or alternate. That just means that every 3 seconds it's changing the colors and the background size is also changing as well. Now here, as you can see, the background position is changing, the background position from 0, 50 to 100%. You can change this and try it out for yourself. However, again, this is just the way to do it. Click just yes, save, and as you can see from there, it will change the colors right here. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty awesome. It's very easy. Again, if you want to see more videos on Go High Level, definitely check out our channel for more. And obviously check out our links down below for free 30-day trial on Go High Level. Thank you guys for watching.